The things we talk about during break.
I know.
I say, All good, really good.
Yes.
We're talking about the weekend weather. I know you've got some time off coming up, and you're looking forward to it.
So we've got some rain to get through Thursday night and Friday, but I actually think the weekend turns out to be pretty good.
Awesome.
So,
that's great.
Yeah, it's all that matters at this point, right? Especially after last weekend.
Right. Got to make up for lost time there.
That is for sure. Good morning, everybody. It is warm and summer-like out there this morning. 67 right now in Bangor, 65 in Waterville. Look at Freiburg, 74 degrees. We're at 66 in Portland. It is cooler and noticeably less humid across the north, though. Dew points there down in the 50s. Remember, this is the number we use to relate how the air feels to us. So it's comfy up north, but still very humid to the south. And that drier air will start working south through the day. By lunchtime, I think it starts to feel better in Bangor. And by this evening in southern Maine, the dew points start dropping. And tomorrow will be much more comfortable. It'll be cool tomorrow, too. That's because we have this front coming through. Cool air lags behind it. By tomorrow, we'll have highs only in the 60s with cooler air settling in. For today, temperatures a bit above the average high of 79. We hit 82 in Portland, 83 in Cape Nettic. Berwick, the warm spot at 87. Not quite as warm in the mountains and up north, though, where that front comes through first. Mid-70s from Rumford to Skowhegan, 80 in Litchfield. Will be about 80 degrees in the Bangor area, 81 in Rockland with a northwest wind. And down east, I think we get into the upper 70s, 78 in Machias this afternoon. We will have a mix of sunshine and clouds, not perfectly sunny, but I do think we get more sun than we had yesterday. It might appear a little hazy at times. That's because there's actually some of that Canadian wildfire smoke blowing through the upper atmosphere. Late today, there's a chance for a brief shower or thunderstorm in New Hampshire or southern Maine, but I think it's a very low chance, 10 or 15%. That's it. Tonight, clouds sticking up, chance for a shower overnight. Temperatures drop into the 50s by tomorrow morning, and we start the day around 60, but with clouds and a northerly wind tomorrow, temperatures do not rise much at all. We'll stay in the 60s through the day. Highest chance for showers tomorrow morning will be in New Hampshire and in the mountains, but by tomorrow afternoon and evening, a heavier round of showers will be working in, and it starts to turn pretty wet tomorrow night. Here's the latest on ELSA, getting ready to make landfall near Cedar Key, Florida. Winds to 65 miles per hour. It is a tropical storm, and it'll be moving up over land today, tonight, and tomorrow. And when this happens, it loses its moisture source, its energy source, and starts to become a bit more disorganized. But then it reemerges over the Atlantic, and as it gets up to our latitude, it will start to take on more of a nor'easter type characteristic. Right now, the latest track takes it over Cape Cod Friday afternoon. That's where the highest chance for wind will be. If this track were to come any closer to us, we could see some wind at the coastline. But right now, my biggest concern out of this is rain. All of this tropical moisture coming north, that means we get a round of heavy rain on Friday, especially midday and Friday afternoon. But it's so quick moving. By Saturday, this is all the way up in the Canadian Maritimes. We're back to better weather over the weekend. So it really is a quick moving system. Potential is there, though, for 1 to 3 inches of rain as all of this comes through between Thursday and Friday. Seas today 3 to 5 feet. A westerly wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southerly this afternoon. So a pretty good day for outdoor plans today. Partly sunny, around 80. Cloudier, cooler tomorrow in the 60s. A chance for showers tomorrow, but the highest risk for rain comes in on Friday. Again, right now I think rain is the main issue for us. We'll have to keep an eye on the wind, but I think most of that stays out over the ocean. Sun returns on Saturday in the 70s. Warmer on Sunday. That's probably the best looking day in the forecast. Early next week, more clouds with highs in the 70s.
We'll be following any potential flooding as well.
Definitely.
That's a lot of rain.